Okay. Just try it again then. I'm going to try and be more careful with the camera. Okay, so I guess that copper is harder than silver. This one has stuff on it. See? Has some stuff on it. Make sure I get the right one. It's the left one. It's the right one. Steady. It's steady. That's what that looks like. That's what that looks like. Okay. This is complete plus. I don't know what grit this is. I imagine this is about, wow, that's more than I need. Oh well. I imagine this is about a 90 on the abrasive scale. Man, I got, do what you always do, wipe it off on the table. Oh man, I didn't clean my fingernails. Darn it. Still got gunk from the copper one. So I'm just medium. If I was to push down on that like that and rub, I was really trying to get something off, it would be different than if I was just barely rubbing it like this. This is hard. Push down on it. This is soft. I'm gonna get a different effect. And this is abrasive 95. I think this is abrasive 95. I'm gonna get some less abrasive stuff and try it too. You can get toothpaste all the way down to 0. 0. Non-abrasive at all toothpaste. And it's not Sensodyne. Actually, Sensodyne is more like 120. It's very abrasive. So don't use Sensodyne. It didn't even get off that gunk right there. Let's see if it damaged the surface. It's like I'm gonna have to get a toothbrush. Google said to use a toothbrush. I think it was Google. No. Actually, wow. Oh no, I kind of like the one that I wish with the toothpaste better. It's interesting. This is like 100% silver. This is not 90% silver, so if it was abrasive, I should know it. I should be able to see it. I don't see it. Really? Really? I don't see it. You guys are nuts. Just nuts.